Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the TMP group. My name is Tom and today is January 19th, 2022. It's about 11:30 here in Arizona and needed to drop in today regarding some videos that I put out regarding Lucid and regarding the Saudi Arabia Private Investment Fund, the PIF, and what I thought might happen with Lucid stock. And if you're not familiar with the videos, feel free to go back and take a look at the video I posted on the 13th. And then the rest of this will make sense. And even if you don't, it should make sense to you anyways. I do need to let you know that I am not a financial planner, not a financial advisor. The TMP group is a group of like-minded individuals looking to build generational wealth, mostly long-term investments in blue chips. We do believe that roughly, 80% of our money should be put into long-term holding that we can grow with regardless of what your age is, that you can build generational wealth. We believe that it takes less than 10 years for anyone to become a millionaire if you follow the strategies that we put out here regarding our long-term holdings. Again, another video that you can go back and just take a look back at becoming a millionaire in 10 years. And for some of you, that may seem like a long time. But if you don't have a plan, then you will fail. Fail to plan, then you're planning to fail. So do your own due diligence, do your research, do your homework. We don't come at you with a lot of technical analysis, a lot of graphs. Typically, it's just me on here and letting you know what I'm doing and collectively what the group is doing. Although we are individual investors, and we're trying to build that wealth chain. That being said, if you like what you hear today, hit the like button. Man, that's going to help out with the YouTube algorithms. It's going to get the video out to more people. And subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with your family. There's no reason to keep all the good stuff for yourself. Let others know what's going on. So let's jump right in it. On the 13th of this month, I came out with a position or multiple positions that I was taking and recommendations for the TMP group. Again, this is educational purpose, not financial advice, and called out the fact that we were buying puts on Lucid in anticipation for a sell-off, which would come from the result of the January 19th, today's lockup expiration for the Saudi Private Investment Fund. Now, the PIF, or as I like to call them, the SPIF, they own 61% of the shares of Lucid Technologies. They're the main investors. Their PIPE number was $15. When Lucid got to 45, they had a 3x. And so the anticipation of them selling out or releasing some shares, which would cause downward pressure on the stock, I wanted to put insurance policies together for Lucid Motors. Now, the insurance policy goes like this. If we believe a stock is going to go down, we want to buy one put for every 100 shares that we own in the equity. In this case, Lucid Motors is what we're talking about. By the way, we are not selling our Lucid stock. We are long-term holders in Lucid stock. We are not bearish on Lucid stock, but we are bearish, and I am bearish on this event, and I still am. So the thumbnail says, did we get it wrong? I don't believe so. Even though Lucid is shooting up today, it's up 5% right now. I believe that we will see a drop in the next couple of days. Again, referencing back to the video I did on the 13th, I called out a low of $40.20. That's where we needed to break even on our 128.47 puts. It hit that on Monday. We got down to 39.38s yesterday, and what we did was we sold 1/3 of our position. So personally, I went into 3 positions. I like to buy puts in threes. I went into 3 positions on the 128.47 puts, which I'm still holding 2 positions on. They're well in the money because Lucid is trading right around $41 right now as we speak. And then I tripled, I know the video said I doubled up, but I tripled my exposure on the February 4th 44s. Once again, if you are not a savvy options trader, I would stay away from options, but if you are playing the options or doing the same thing to generate capital, I wanted to let you know what my exit strategy is. So this morning at market open, I was able to get out of my 44, just one of them, and I have 3 groups of 3, so 9 puts. I was able to get out of one of each group for about a 30%, 38% return on my money on the February 4th, 2022s, which leaves me with 3 groups of 2 now, and each one of those are currently trading right now. We're up about 15% on them. So we halved our profit, but I do believe that we did not get this wrong. I believe that in the next 3 to 4 days, because the action activity that happens today may not get reported for 48 hours, and we will see downward pressure on the stock. So I am maintaining my position bullish on Lucid Motors right here, right now. However, I believe that we will see downward pressure. We'll see a dip. I still think that this stock has the potential, because of the downward pressure, of hitting the 35 range. My all-out number will be 35.50, 35.60. You have to have a feel on the market. So if you're in these puts, that's what we're looking for. And guys, sometimes we win them, sometimes we lose them. I'm going to come on here every time I put a position out there, and I will show you the before and the after and the in-between. I try to keep it real. I try to make sure that you all know exactly what I'm doing. And again, it's not financial advice. Just make the investment in yourself, make it in your family, make it in your future. And, we will all, in the long term, if we zoom out on our stocks, find that these stocks will continue to run if we're in the right stocks. So let's take a look. The SPIF, or the PIF lockout expiration, is today. And what's happening? Lucid is up about 5.5% right now. Do I believe that we will see a downturn that could come as quickly as tomorrow or Friday? Absolutely. So I'm going to hold the remaining 6 puts that I have on Lucid. And I will average out of them once we get to a 50% return. I'll average out of them once we get to, like I said, a 50% return. And then I'll keep the last one. I'm just going to ride it out, and I want to see if I can hit that price target of $35.50. So that's what I'm doing. That doesn't mean that's what you should do. Do what's best for you. You know how to manage your money. Man, I sure appreciate you jumping in here today and watching this video. I did want to give some clarity. I am still very bullish on Lucid. Where do we go from here? My 12-month price target has not changed. I see Lucid by 2023, first quarter of 2023, being at or above $65 to $70. And by 2025, this is a triple-digit stock, in my opinion. We will continue to buy Lucid at these levels. We'll continue to hold Lucid at these levels. We will continue to cover Lucid Motors, because this is our chance, or our second chance, if we miss Tesla. And I did. Luckily I was able to get into Tesla right around $680. So been able to make good money on Tesla. And I believe Tesla has the potential to do the same thing. But hopefully you're bullish on Lucid. Hopefully you stick with Lucid. Hopefully you stick with the channel, the TMP group, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and just make sure that you are staying away and not listening to the FUD, the fear, the uncertainty, and the doubt. Because the market will reward patience, and the market will take from impatience. If we're trying to time the market, not many people can win that game. But time in the market is a game that we can win. Go back and take a look at my video that I did a couple of days ago on the 6 stocks that you can invest in and dollar cost averaging over the next 10 years to become a millionaire. That's the goal. $1 million used to be the benchmark. Now it's tens of millions or billions. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you got a little something out of it, and hopefully I see you on the next video.